So today I'm going to teach you how to do fluid art. Go to the store and get your paint and get your little canvas. So all you are going to need is a canvas, whatever little size you want, and then you are going to need paint, a bunch of paint. So when it comes to fluid art, you want the paint that you're getting to be really like liquidy and like fluidy. So if you get like this paint, just make sure it's like really liquidy. Like these ones in the tubes like don't really work with fluid art because more of like a pasty kind of thing. I don't know. Like these little ones because they're only like 90 cents, which I think is really cool. All you do is pour whatever color you want right in the middle, and then you keep on pouring it. And then you just pour it all in one spot, and then you tip your thing around. So I'll show ya. So you're gonna want to either be outside or put a bunch of newspaper or cardboard down because this is about to get messy. Got all your little colors and just pour down whatever one you want. And just make sure you like kind of use a lot, but like not really use a lot at the same time. If you use too much when it's about to dry, it'll like start cracking and stuff because it doesn't go smoothly on. Oh yeah. I love fluid art. It's so fun. I like kind of just started doing it. Kinda. So yeah, you just pour all your colors basically right next to each other. Some of my paints are really old. That one seems old. Oh, look at that little swirl it made! Yes, it's looking beautiful. So yeah, you pretty much just pour all your colors in the middle. Oh, I just remembered I got this gold. It's shiny. Let's see what it looks like. It's pretty gold. Looks alright, you know? Okay, I think I'm good for right now. So, now that you got all your colors, and it's kind of thick but kind of thin, all you're gonna want to do is just tilt it whatever way you want. You see that, man? Ooh, I forgot I had a black. I want the black in there. My black's in this really big jar. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, all good. We're still good. It's just art, man. There's no mistakes here, you know. Happy accidents. But look how cool it looks. So you just make it go like whatever direction you want it to go. This is your masterpiece. This is your art. These are your colors, your mind. Just be creative was what I'm trying to say. Oh my god, I love it. It's so fun. Like that is so cool right there. Like what? Like how does it do that? So I got this really cool like zigzag effect. And what you do is just find something and you kind of just bang it on the corner a little bit. You let all the paint just really like drip down. Yay, look at mine! I'm really happy with how it turned out, to be honest. So while it's drying, you're just gonna wanna make sure it's on a flat surface so your stuff doesn't like, your paint doesn't like lean over and stuff like that. And also you're gonna wanna let it dry for probably like 2 or 3 days because this stuff takes forever to dry. But I got all this freaking glitter and I'm gonna add some stars and stuff.